so dark?
It's because we're so far down that the sunlight can't reach us.
How come it looks like it's snowing?
Because there's no sunlight and very few plants grow down here, most creatures rely on this marine snow. It's made out of dead plants, shells, and fecal matter.
What's fecal matter?
Fish poop.
Yuck! Sorry I asked. What was that?
What was that? It's Dr. Dotty and Mr. Fluffypants. They're trying to ram us.
Look! What's that?
That's a hydrothermal vent. Lots of creatures live around these volcanic chimneys. I have an idea. Luz, drive as fast as you can towards those chimneys. Hit the lights, Blaze.
Look out! Hooray!
Smell you later. Come on, guys, let's get to the bottom of this. We finally made it to the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean.
Look, what's that over there? Ah! It's a sea monster!
That's not a sea monster. It's even worse. It's a plastic bag.
A plastic bag? All the way down here?
Yes, scientists found evidence of plastics here in 2018.
Oh, that's awful. We humans really have to start looking after our planet.
We sure do. Come on, let's get out of here. That was fun.
I still can't believe it about the plastic bag, though. I know, it's terrible.
Uh-oh, the bath.
Dip first, dip second!